What a news we have! What a news we have! Two alias celebs are sighting in the dating places like Yocho. Sparks and T. Tom Cruise and Ana de Armas spotted together on a pair of private yacht. A romantic dreamy tune ideal for entertainment media. How we can say under the golden globe, the variation where the sky melts into the sea. A moment unfolded. That is the wall talking. All use ageless icon Tom Cruise and the stunning rising star Ana de Armas were recently spotted together aboard an extra private yacht cruising the turquoise water of the coast of southern France. But it, but this wasn't just another celebrity sighting. Witnesses said that two looked complete at least after the mission impossible, the reckoning, the logging, talking closely and sucking up this moment for foam flashing cameras and all pressure. Anna was a vision in a white silk dress and air catching the breeze, while Tom looked every bit the movie star in the crisp linen shirt and signature sunglasses. The chemistry between them undeniable. Cruise and Anna together we can say. And this moment is a very crucial moment for the fans of these two slabs. At the point, the two were seen fighting together on the sun deck, gazing out the horizon. Our eyed tightly slide toward him as he smiled soft and sincere. There were camping fluids on the table, breeze and air, something unspoken passing between them. Eyewitnesses say I didn't feel like a casual outing. There was something more intimate, even poetic about the way they were with each other, we can say. The pair first worked together during industry events and some often praised another in interviews. But the private escape is pains wandering, we can say, pains wandering. Is it a relationship or the start of a real life love story? If, uh, if anyone is a fan of say, you can comment them in a comment section. Cruise known for keeping his personal life and rapes and honor, whether quiet grace and magnetic presence would make an acceptably perfect pair. The yacht moment wasn't just a trip, it felt like a scene from a romance film. A last year, the open sea, warm sunlight, and maybe, just maybe, a new spark of love. One thing for sure, something beautiful, something is dwelling in the horizon. Stay tuned because when love sets near, it's leave well behind. Thank you so much. Subscribing my channel and press the bell icon. Like the video. For the next update, stay tuned on the channel.